Okay, so we have this BMW 2 Series. Customer complaint. When driving, he heard a weird sound coming from the front end suspension. So let's take it for a drive, see if we can duplicate the problem. Wow. I'm hearing a very loud knocking noise that's coming from the front end. You can even feel it on the steering wheel that it's vibrating. Crazy. Yeah, this is not safe to drive. Look at that. Look at the steering wheel. Shaking. Yeah, and then you can feel as well coming from the wheel that is doing like this. Dug, 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 dug. So let's go back to the workshop. Since we verify customer concern, now let's put it up in the hoist. Check the suspension. Maybe something is loose, something is damaged, like lower control arm, caster arm, whatever. We need to make some investigation for us to fix this car.
Just to be the next to be with you. It's about little boys that talk too much. I've seen it all go down.
Okay, vehicle is already up. Let's do some suspension check for us to know where is the fault coming from. Lower control arm looks okay. Let's go side to side movement, up and down. Yeah, that's okay. Nothing is obvious. Now we go this side. What's this? Oh, someone bypassed the brake pad sensor. So let's check here. Check for the bushing. Looks okay. Yep. Oh shit, what's that? Oh no. So this bolt is not fully tightened. So that's a problem. So that is really dangerous. So we gotta tell that to the customer. For some reason, the bolts is loose. So look at that. Fuck. No good. I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Easy Diag. Bye. Okay, so we were able to fully tighten the wheel bolts. So let's take it for another drive. Make sure we eliminate the problem, because that's really dangerous. Even the lock nut of this vehicle, because there's like a special is bolt on this BMW 2 Series. Even that is loose. It's crazy. Now, oh look at that. That is fixed. I can feel it already. No vibration, nothing. It's just a freaking loose wheel bolts, and that is really dangerous. The second thing that I've noticed about this car, the wheel alignment is out. So we're gonna try to suggest to the customer to fix the wheel alignment to avoid having issues with the tar tread in the future. And yeah, that's it. No knocking, no nothing. Unlike a while ago, the wheel is like this, crazy. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, bonus footage. We were able to get the job from this customer. Same car, BMW Series 2. And checking the wheel alignment here. The rear suspension is completely out. And the front, oh look at that. The front left, that is positive 9.7 millimeter. So if we go to the left here, this is the one that is completely loose. And I've noticed something here a while ago, like this one. Yeah. So 100% customer hit something really bad. Imagine if we were not able to cut the problem and the customer keep driving, who knows what's gonna happen, right? So always, if you notice something's not right, like it's making like really bad noise on the front end suspension or even at the back, do not hesitate to go to your nearest mechanic straight away to have it checked out. Thank you for watching. Bye.